Good day guys, hi. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the gearbox output shaft oil seal. So you can see oil leaking from this seal. To do that you have to take this proper shaft out. I'm gonna take you behind, so you have to unbolt these 4 studs, 17 and 18 or 19 I guess. Let me show you that up. You have to unbolt these 4 studs from the rear differential and take the proper shaft out, and then you also have to have the number 32 box panel, the box, in order to remove the bolt. So let's begin to replace this. I'll take you step by step on how to do it in a proper way.